Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to see the two-dimensional Cartesian coordinate system. So in this video we are discussing the two topics, that is Cartesian coordinate system and the midpoint and the distance. First, Cartesian coordinate system. Cartesian coordinate system. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. The vertical axis we call it as the y-axis and the horizontal we call it as x-axis. And here we have the first quadrant. This is the first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. And we call it this one as the horizontal axis, that is the x-axis. Horizontal axis, x-axis. And this one is vertical axis. Vertical axis, y-axis, and this point we call it as the origin, 0, 0, 0, 0. Origin. Let us plot some points on the coordinate systems. So let us do some points here. I have 2, 1, 1, 2, then -2, 1, then 2, -1. So this I will draw in the points. So what you'll have, this is x and y axis, x and y, and the points are 0. Here you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and -1, -2, -3, -4, and the x y positive part 2, 3, 4, and the negative direction -1, -2, -3, -4. So this is the x and y plane. Now I will draw the first one, plot the first point, x equals 2, y equal 1. The first value indicates the x value. This is the x coordinate. This is the x coordinate, the value of x. This is the y value. So now we have x equals 2, x equals 2, y equal 1. So this is my point, 2, 1. The next one we will have, this is over. Now x equal 1, y equal 2, x equal 1, y equal 2. So this is the next point. This is 1, 2. X value is 1, y value is 2. The next one we have x minus 2, negative 2, and y value is 1. X value is negative 2, y value is 1. So therefore this is my -2, 1. And here we will have 2, -1. X value is 2, y value is -1. So it gives this value. So this is my 2, -1. So this is the plotting points. Now let us go with the sum about the x and y axis. What happened? Suppose if you have the point as 0, 2, and here 4, 0. So what it indicates, in this line the x value in the x-axis, y value is 0 here. In y-axis the x value is 0 here. So here 0, 2, therefore x value is 0, y value is 2. Therefore this is my point, 0, 2. So this point is nothing but my 0, 2. X value is 0, y value is 2. And whereas the next one, it is x value is 4, y value is 0. It is on the x-axis. So therefore, this point is my 4, comma 0. This is the y is 0. So we will discuss in the intercept. So this concept. So this is all about the Cartesian coordinate system. The next one we will discuss about the midpoint and distance. Midpoint and distance. Midpoint and distance. So we can calculate the midpoint of the two given Cartesian coordinate, and the distance we can calculate. So the formula is given by here. If you have p of 1, x1 comma y1, this is a one Cartesian coordinate, one point and the another point, so I can calculate the midpoint. So the midpoint formula is given by midpoint is given by the formula x1 plus x2 over 2. So you have to take the average of the x coordinates, and here y1 plus y2 over 2. So this is the midpoint formula. Now what about the distance? So distance is given by square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is my distance. Now let us understand this rule. Suppose if you have these 2 points, if you have a point like this, okay, so this is my x and y, y-axis, x-axis, and the points are 0, 1, 2, 3, and here -1, -2, and here it is 1. Okay, so now I will take some value here, maybe this point. So what is this point? Y value -2, x value 1, therefore it is -2 comma 1. Let us go with here. So x value 2, y value 1. So I want to calculate the midpoint of this 2 point and the distance between the 2 points. So what happened here? So I will go with this. So the points are, first of all, the points. What are the points here? This is P1 and this is P2. So I have a point P1 is -2 comma 1 and P2 is 2 comma 1. So the points are x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Now I write it the formula. What is the formula here? You have midpoint is given by x1 plus x2 minus 2 plus 2 over 2 and 1 plus 1 over 2. So which in turn implies this is 0, enter term 0, therefore 0 comma 2 over 2, which is 1. So this is my midpoint. Midpoint is 0 comma 1. This is my 0 comma 1. This is obviously, by seeing itself we can say this is the midpoint of the 2 points. Next, here we will have the next one. It is distance. So distance formula, I have x2 minus x1. This is -2, minus in the rule you have, then -2 it become plus 2 whole square plus 1, that is y2 minus y1, 1 minus 1 whole square. So entire term becomes 0, this part. So what should be the value here? We will have square root of 4 square, which is 16 square root, which is equal 4. What is actually this 4 indicates? This is the distance between the 2 points. So you will have the 4 units. So this is 1 unit, this is 2 units, this is 3 unit, 4 units. So in between the 4 units we will have between these 2 points. So this is the 4 units. So this is actually the distance indicates. So this we complete.